I'll show you how you can make some money using LTD platform even before you can deposit your capital. I assume that you have created an account and it's running. If you have not created an account, kindly click the link in the description and you shall be able to register an account and follow the process that I will show you here. The first thing you do, number one, is when you are on a home page. As you can see, I'm on a home page right now. There is what we call check in daily. For you to get rewards every day, you have to check in. So I'm going to click where it says sign in here. When I sign in like this, there's daily check in. Now there's a sentence here which says keep signing in every day to get rich rewards for free. So for me, day one I've already signed in and I've been given 0.1 USD, and day two it keeps increasing 0.2, 0.3, just like that. The moment I'm on day 7, then I might level up and get the bot for free. That will trade in my account, and this bot will still be giving me money. I will continue logging in every day for 14 days. If I go on 14, I might even get a voucher, a gift card available at this point. It's the same up to day 21. There's also a gift. On the last date of the month, which is the 30th, I will get $5 on this date. Now, if you skip any day here, it means you've not logged in for 30 days. The reward won't be 5. So for you to make sure that you earn money here, you need to make sure that all the days here, when you click sign in, you log in. So my day 2, I'll just click on day 2 like this, and then it will be activated. This orange background will come on day 2. Day 3, just like that. So this is the first thing that will make you have a reward. As you can see here, on day 1, down here on my records, I have received this money on my day 1 of registration. I clicked on day 1 and I've received this money. Tomorrow as well, I will do this up to the 30th day, and I'll be given 5 USD plus all these cents that have been given behind. Number 2, in here, as you can see, there's a place where you click on robots here, my robots. When you click on my robots, it will show you the robots that are available. Like for me, I have this robot which I activated. It's a free robot, so I have to claim this reward. I claim every 2 hours. So the free robot you claim 2 times every day. 2 times every day, and for after 2 hours you claim. I'll show you how you can activate this free robot. So first I have to claim this reward. I'll just click here on the a sack here showing it's fully. I'll click on it. As you can see, I have been given my reward. Now for me to start mining, or rather trade with this free bot, I'll click again here for my second bot, because as you can see down here it says remaining work. So I've done 1, I've remained with 1. So I'll start mining again. After 2 hours, I'll click on this. When it starts rotating, it mines. So after 2 hours, I'll come back again and collect my gift from here. So you'll find that by the end of the month, you will have a lot of money in your account that you can withdraw even before you put in the capital in here. So the bot is running now. I'll come back and claim this after 2 hours. How do you activate this bot? You come here where it says new robot. When you come near where it says new robot, as you can see, these are the robots that you can choose from if you want to activate these robots. Now, activating that free robot I mentioned, you need to come here where it says my, and then you come to robots. I'm having bad network, but we shall get there. So in your case, you're going to find the robot here, the 01. You just click on it like I said, until this starts mining. As you can see, you are going to find the level 0 robot, that is a 0 investment. You just tap by the corner and it will start mining. That is how you activate the free robot. The other way you can earn money here, when you come to market here, you're going to find a lot of robots. The free robot is this one on the first. So you have to click on activate and follow how it will be. For me, I already have it running. So when I click on it, as you can see here, it's already activated. So you come where it says 0 USDT activation, meaning you don't pay anything to activate this robot. So you just click activate. So activation upper limit, that means for me, I've already activated this, it's running, so I can't activate twice in a day. For you, just click activate, this 0 robot will start activating. If you want to deposit something and have a lot of robots running in your account, you will come to robot number 2, you activate it, but this one it will require you to pay 3,200 USDT activation fee. And this will actually give you income, daily income, about 4 times. You claim 4 times, which is 42. You are claiming 42 USD every day. So that is 42 plus 42. We are talking about 85, about $85 every day for you to activate this bot. That's how you make money using this bot. You can choose any of the bots that you want from the marketplace. Then when you come here where it says Web3, as you can see, it shows now the amount I have here in my balance USDT. So I've got 0.1 cents, which I claimed from my daily activations, which it shows. Then if you want to withdraw, there is where it says send, receive. Then you can withdraw. As you can see here, there is written withdraw, recharge. I'll post a video on how you can withdraw when you make your money. On the news here, it shows now how you can maximize your profits. So as you can see, it says when you invite friends to sign in and activate, and you can get cryptocurrency rewards worth up to 60,000 USD. So the more you keep growing your downliners, the more money you make. So you invite friends and they join using your link, they activate their bots, the free bots, then you make money. If they also register they activate with money, you also make money here, even before you could deposit. Now, how can you get your link to share with your friends? When you come here on home, you are going to see where it's written invitation here. When you come where it's written invitation, you click on it. It will produce the link. Here is the link. When you copy this link, you tap on the green and then you click copy. Then you share with your friends. Now, what are the rewards? Look here. Invitation rewards. Administrator. So the team size reaches 5 people. You receive 50 USDT per month. So if you have people that have signed in under you and they are 5, it means every month the company will be giving you a salary of $50 every month. And those your team, you need to make sure that you are reminding them to activate the bot, claim their rewards, and also they should be active to make money. Then If you invite 10 people, it means the company will be giving you $100 per month as a salary. If you activate 30 people, it means the company will be giving you $1,000 per month as a salary. It goes on and on. You will get $1,500 if they are 50. You will get $2,000 if they are 100. You will get $3,000 if they are 200 people. If there are 1,000 people, trust me, it will be $50,000 every month the company will give you cash. It will send into your account. So this is how you make money here, guys. This is real and this is good. So if you have not registered, click the first link in the description, register, and like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel for you to receive more and more wonderful content like this. Thank you very much. God bless you.